LED CMH1358-H7 fog lights. Applications 1. High brightness output. Deliver up to 2700 lm with a rated power of 27W, providing a luminous upgrade over traditional halogen bulbs, built with a high-performance 3570 flip chip, suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. 2. Easy installation. Designed with standard H7 halogen bulb dimensions and a non-polarity configuration, installation is quick and requires no modification. The precisely engineered beam pattern ensures optimal rear illumination. 3. Advanced optical design. Beam reaches farther and brighter, significantly enhancing visibility and contributing to safer driving under various conditions. 4. Superior heat management. Copper PCB as the main heat dissipation base. Aircraft-grade aluminum heatsink for durability. Equipped with an efficient cooling fan for active thermal management. Reduces heat effectively, maintains brightness, ensures ultra-low heat rise and long-term reliability. 5. Voltage and circuit design. Operating voltage 12 VDC or 20 for VDC. Single voltage design with non-polarity configuration. Linear constant current IC for precise and stable current regulation. Passive EMC testing for strong anti-interference capability. 6. Color temperature range. 6000 K to 7000 K cool white delivers sharp clarity and improved night driving visibility. 3000 K warm white, optional version available upon customer request, ideal for foggy or rainy conditions. Note: please confirm the product model and bulb dimensions before purchasing to ensure proper fitment and compatibility.